Hello guys, welcome to my fishing channel. My name is Oleg. I'm a fishing guide and expert for the last 25 years. And today I'm going to test very nice lure which I think is suitable for the beginners in trout area fishing. And the name of this lure is BURIBURI Minnow. This little guy, I suppose, will bring us some nice fish today. Are you interested? Let's get it. I have this amazing lure in two different colors, like that, red. This is natural color. Properly speaking, I more believe to this natural color. However, this one also can work, so I will try both of them. Ooh. What a bite! What a bite, guys! Oh, strong fish, really. Not bad fish at all. Oh. Oh, not yet. It's beautiful. Oh, beautiful trout. Oh. Yeah. Very stubborn fish, guys. So here it is. This little lure works. Now guys, if I'd like to give you one advice, especially for the beginners in trout area fishing, and this is slow retrieval. Really, believe me, it works much better than retrieve in a normal way like that. You stand on the bank or in the boat, you retrieve like that in a constant speed. No, if you'd like to catch trout in trout area, especially those experienced fish, it's better to retrieve much slower. Ooh! And again, here's our little hero. Nice. This lake is a part of commercial fishery and or fish farm. Better say there are so many anglers fishing here, probably because there is a highway nearby. It's in some way quite noisy environment. Anyway, there are some nice fish here, up to 2 pounds. However, usually 1 pound rainbow trout. You can catch some fish and just enjoy your life. So finally it gets much warmer than before. I just feel the approaching summer. It's very nice after a long winter to feel just this beautiful sunlight. And this lure is BURIBURI Minnow. It's very lightweight, 2.5 grams. So it's necessary to use very thin braided line, 4 or 5 pounds braided line and fluorocarbon leader. The length is 4 centimeters, and as far as color itself, there are more than 20 colors. So in any case, fish and you will be satisfied. The movement of this little guy is like a drum roll, so you feel it in your hand, especially when you have a special rod for area trout fishing, and you can move really slowly because this is a floating lure and moves under just under the surface, and think about 50-60 centimeters under the surface. So if you see the activity of trout close to the surface, it's time to use this lure. In any case, I recommend this one for using on trout lakes with high fishing pressure, because many anglers usually use some little spoons, and not so many of them use hard plastic lures. Oh, and bites are really crazy, guys. Oh. Those bites are really crazy. It's a lot of adrenaline during this fishing, especially when you retrieve slowly. Amazing trout. Amazing trout. Come here. Yeah. This lure has 2 single hooks, so it's very easy to release your catch. Nice. I don't want to touch this fish, but beautiful trout. Nice fish. All right, and I think it will be the last one for today. Nice rainbow trout. I wanna keep it in the net. Yeah, up. Anyway, it's very important when you fish for trout and trout area lakes to find the horizon where they hunt for insects or small fish. And today it was the subsurface horizon, so this lure was the best. Yeah, right. Here's this little guy. So consider subscribing to my channel, put the thumb up if you like this video. God bless you and tight lines. See you soon.